Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listen to this audio. Me people in a salon today, na Saturday, April 5, 2025, with me, una humble servant, Piero Samora. Me people in a salon today, I get two message for una again. My first message today, me people, now for can interpret the letter we come out from the secretariat yesterday, we headed by lawyer Lansana Dumbuya with National Secretary General of the All People's Congress, the greatest, the lobby and the man we care and get passion for the APC. The letter where we see a pull out yesterday for call on the former members of parliament of the APC, former councillors of the APC for make una all go do una registration and verification process. That go be my first message today. And my second message today, my people, we don't see them or some boys and jazz, then what we can call them the cartel boys and jazz, then they recruit themselves in all form for can assassinate the character of His Excellency, the former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma. Then they deceive themselves, then they put themselves down, and then they continue for misinform the young gullible supporters there. I want to tell them today, say, if anybody wey think say dey inside APC, neither they support flag bearer aspirant or you they support executive member, for let you think say you for go after former President Nkrumah, na that go make a candidate popular or your candidate succeed. Wallahi, I dey continue for tell you say you dey deceive yourself. Nobody not inside the APC today way sober minded, we want for succeed, we not go tell you say you don't need Ernest Koroma in blessing. We all need Ernest Koroma in blessing. Neither we in a media, neither people away old position today, neither people away want for can old position again. People we go on for succeed for be flag bearer at the APC. Wallahi, if you want for succeed through, you go need somebody in blessing like former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma. That go be my second message today, me people. But before I go on with this message, we get some of we brother them. We na Facebook and Twitter, TikTok, now they permanent on and they YouTube. They not can get time for can WhatsApp for they can know waiting they go on. I listen to some programs that way some people and they say they need me contact, but then can find a difficult to forget me contact them. So they say for I go they put me audio na me contact, I go they put me contact na me audios because then they listen to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok for let them go they able get access for pass that information then to me and we go discuss more. So the number one I can reach me now +23274460045. That's now the number we can able contact me now WhatsApp +23274460045. That's now my WhatsApp number one I go able reach me. And the second one again, so many people on they call me across the country. They ask me about this new book will be done. They tell the public about say who stand this book here get for common. I want for talk to the people of Sahelo say this book here go day out at any time where we call Legacy of Leadership. The people that will prepare this book now Council of Progressive Sahelo, then say make I tell una say make una exercise patient at any time from now. This book go day out. Then they can couple up in now and then they try for put the book together by page to page, chapter to chapter, topic to topic. Very soon this book go day to una. So una continue for exercise patient at any time. Legacy of Leadership, it go then at the public domain. And this book here they look purposely to the former APC past government we headed by His Excellency the former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma. Then go can look inside in government tigi one for see the things the way Ernest Kuruma in government be succeed for do where the people of Sahel they benefit from today and the APC government. And they also go look at the past APC government, then like the Shaka Steven government, the Yes Momo, then go come and look into them. People and the way been don't represent the APC, and then people that way don't hold them big positions, then we come out from the APC, then go come and explain them thing that they told. Also, again, I want to apologize to una me listener followers across the country, supporters and sympathizers of Pierre Samura. I want to apologize to una for where I can get break for some days that una not can get me. Una no say, easy. Africa today things they're not easy. Sometimes myself can get one or two activities then for see how we able put mechanism in place for take care of my family and for take care of myself. So I want to apologize to una for una way can reach me for no way to happen with me. I want to tell una say as well, as strong, as safe and sound, right? The only thing is that myself can go for undertake one or two activities for see which I go get me lily and nothing for make I able put something at table for me picking there and my family. So I want to apologize to una for any inconveniences. Make una know say I not doing a media for myself, but I doing a media for una. And una satisfaction is very, very paramount to me. And una satisfaction, I will continue for so una say it will guarantee to me. So as any time where I think say it necessary for talk to una, I will come and talk to una. You know what I mean? Like the or some bloggers, they wait day and night, then not get break, then not get holiday. Every day, then they release audios. Then when you listen to the audios, then you not go get nothing where it makes sense. Full of misinformation, full of misinterpretation, full of abusive languages, full of going to people personal, full of lies, full of propaganda, full of blackmailing. No, some of us will not do so. We always can when it's necessary, and we go bring on a tangible and reliable source we go benefit una tomorrow. Not if I can talk just because say na me first talk or na from me side the area. So please, I want to apologize to una me follower, me listeners, supporters and sympathizers, across the world for make una know say nothing not wrong with me, because so many people on the call me and will not get here how many days today waiting happen. I want for confirm say I well and everything they go on normal. Now fight no more myself can fight for see how we able bring something home. Say the media, easy. Then but boy, I don't make the media don't pollute, the media not fine again. Most of the people that we been get interest in the media, we been they give helping hands trade, most of them don't Brazil because of the lies, the propaganda, the fallacy, and the blackmailing, right? Me people in a salon yesterday, we see a letter we come out from the National Secretary General when a lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, the successful man, the man we get passion for the APC, and the man we loved by the grassroots, and the man we love the grassroots, the man we get the APC at heart. A pull a letter yesterday when at the 4th of April 2025 for inform all former members of parliament. You will know say if you don't be members of parliament, from if you be saying an excrement first time maybe parliamentarian, or you be under an excrement in second time as parliamentarian or councillors, then they draw una attention say on the 9th of April, when at this month, the 9th, say make una all day na the party office 11 Old Railway Line Freetown for make una all go do una verification process, because we no go tell stock say una for go register. Every former members of parliament, former councillors, we know say una been don't be member of the APC. Una get una former APC ID cards then. Even if una not get themselves, but I believe say una get the copies then, or una get the informations about the una former APC membership cards then. So the National Secretary General, when a lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, released this press release yesterday for make we pass on to una the public say on the 9th of this April, then they call on una the former councillors of the APC, former members of parliament, for make una all go na 11 A Railway Line Freetown for make una go do this una verification process. So you if Ambulna be councillor or if Ambulna be member of parliament, please when you listen to this audio, please send them forward and to them. And I want to encourage una the grassroots supporters and sympathizers of the APC, when you listen to this audio, please share and so that they will former councillors and former members of parliament, then all will benefit from this information. So please, the Secretary General of the All People's Congress, APC, it encourage una the former members of parliament, former councillors, for make una all go na the APC party office wey na the headquarter na Freetown 11A Railway Line Brookfield Freetown for make una go do una registration and verification process so that una sef go be full member of the APC, because as you don do this registration and verification, the APC no get for deal with any old membership again. Na the people wey go through this new registration and verification, na dem get for be full paid up member, and na dem get for be members of the APC for decide whatever way the party get for they do in the long run or in the future. So there we dey encourage every former councillors of the APC, every former members of parliament, for make una all attend on that day wey na the 9th of this April, na the party headquarter 11A Railway Line Freetown, for make una go do this una verification process. That na waiting come out from the National Secretary General wey na Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, wey dey head the APC. And he also dey encourage una say anybody wey e dey go, make sure say e go with a copy of your APC membership card, because dem get for do a data transfer, and na from that your membership card the way been get, na from there dem go able get the details. When I say details, your informations there, you know, your name, your ward or your constituency where you dey, your district where you dey, date of birth, you know, that your membership card, e get code. That code dey, na that dem get for track for make them able know if he and somebody been they use that membership card, that code, or if you know one been they use that code. So do you way they go, that your membership card, the if in a photocopy, make it go with her. If in a in presence, still photocopy and it can dey with you, then it go with the photocopy back. So do you me people wanna share this message for make you able benefit them with former councillors and former members of parliament. They say when they go on that the way that the 9th of this April, for make you go with a copy of that your membership card where you been get. And even if the membership card there with you, please photocopy and again, make the photocopy there with you, and the membership card, make it go with them all, so that then go able to track your information there easily for make them transfer na the membership form, for make them able process no ID card for you, where na the new one we get for participate in all party activities na the All People's Congress APC. My people, let me second message today. Now for can't talk to them with brothers and sisters. We don't do on social media. Everything about them today na propaganda. Everything about them na lies. You know, the SLPP, we don't put this destruction na we country today. You know, go come na the audios. Every strength we then they pull today na the media na about the APC. If they no can't talk about the APC National Executive bad, then go can't talk bad about the former president. If they no can't talk bad about the former president, then go can't talk bad, but we will stand with the leadership and structure of the APC. If they no can't talk bad about we, then go can't give una the people of Salone fake informations there. Carries una hope, tell una things that we not get for happen and we not get for possible. You know, we don't see that in all form or in all angle way then they go against former President Dr. Ernest Blessing and then by Nkrumah. You know, making always continue for tell and say, if anybody today we want to make interest succeed, neither they support flag bearer or they support somebody for can be member of parliament, for can be councillor, for can be executive member at the APC, or neither the one the way they you get Brad the way they support way one make it go in second term or make it continue for all on that office. Wallahi, everybody way they think that way, then you need the blessing of His Excellency the former President Dr. Ernest Nkrumah. You know, go say today you want for succeed na the APC without the blessing of former President Nkrumah. Because when they say today the APC activities, then don't blow whistle. Who that now the first person will go contribute more than any other person in Ernest Nkrumah. Then we take example for Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara. When we go elect Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara as we flag bearer and Makeni, the person will pull $600,000 cash, not to check, not to any other thing. He pull $600,000 cash. Me people in cash, the dollar, a raw one, they count the dollar paper, $600,000 cash. he contact, he give Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara, say, na me you contribute on this towards the campaign. He say, na me you support this by your campaign. Today, the thank you way former President Kuruma get, now for let Samura Kamara there in people away in our social media for can't talk bad about that man. They say Ernest Koroma they jealous Samura Kamara. They say Ernest Koroma hates Samura Kamara. Somebody will hate Samura Kamara. Now in fed for Samura Kamara all over the country for let Samura Kamara go in second time for be flag bearer at the APC. When Samura Kamara we the delegates then don't go elector, he don't become the flag bearer. This same person who now say he hates Samura Kamara. Now him pull $600,000 cash he give to Dr. Samura Kamara say, na me own contribution this by your campaign. For let you go start the campaign. This man, now una say today, he hates Dr. Samura. This man today, if they say the APC they go convention, the highest person will go give the highest contribution for let that convention they go on. Now this same former President Kuruma. Any activities where the party go put on today for make we succeed in doing that, would that go be the number one contributor now former President Kuruma. The person will go second to her. Either it be the national chairman Mikhailo Masari or then Cherry Kokode. This is the hard fact. Make we say them truth today. This Cherry Koko na the cause so. Cherry Koko don't spend money inside the APC more than Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara. And they live me life and challenge anybody make it can't challenge. We go show proofs there. Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherry Koko, he don't spend the money inside the APC. Even if he divide the money where he don't spend more than 50 million times, he still don't spend past Dr. Samura Kamara. Dr. Samura not get nothing we go proud of saying that this I don't do for the APC. If in alignment somebody can show me today. He go say Samura Kamara, he work for MPRC government. Samura Kamara, he work for Pakaba in government. Samura Kamara, he work for Ernest Koroma in government. We go appreciate that and continue for compliment the effort there. But at the end of the day, na salary them in the pay. Even he contribute for push the nation before. That's not a very good one, and we go keep 10 and thank you for doing good work then day. But come to the APC as a political party. Cancel something today. Waiting Samura Kamara don't do for the APC. Compare waiting APC don't do for Samura Kamara. Make it would have for grateful to in honor. Would have for grateful to in company. The APC don't do the highest goodness to Samura Kamara in life than waiting Samura Kamara don't do for the APC. That's Samura Kamara in people and today. Now then they give some of us notice now host today say because we know they support electoral justice. Now then they give some of we notice now host today say them been give we host because we been they support Samura Kamara. Where this Samura Kamara in 50 loans no one day they to we. The kind pain and toyeke and suffer we don't go through behind this Dr. Samura Kamara. Today he not get 50 loans we go proud of for say now this have been done give to this person. The tenki that we'll get today now for put pain now we had. The tenki that we'll get today now for present we back to the public. The tenki that we'll get today now for blackmail and assassinate with character behind this same Samura Kamara. So I want for tell una the cartel boys and just there say, if anybody thinks say you want for succeed in salon politics, wallahi, without the blessing of His Excellency the former President Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, I want for tell you say they deceive himself and he will continue for deceive himself. Right? Ernest Koroma no want for be president again. For me, kuna go to say Ernest Koroma the jealous Samura Kamara in popularity. In which way? Samura Kamara popular today, that popularity na Ernest Koroma been don't get yesterday. Ernest Koroma in popularity na in cover Samura Kamara. That love we get for Ernest Koroma, that respect we get for Ernest Koroma, now that make we can follow Samura Kamara and give we support to Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara. Samura Kamara done this, he don't work all over 42 years. How many people in Sabia passing well foot in picking their family members there? But how many salon people in Sabia? In 2017, when Ernest Koroma announced her, the whole country, people are all over the place say, if it's Sabia. SL people, they even use her as slogan against we say, if it's Sabia. Somebody we don't work in the country over 42 years. People can't use slogan against we back say, if it's Sabia. Who stand the likes of Dr. Kaifala Marad and come into salon politics? Now, Ernest Koroma in government, now come with them for can play active role. But they all been popular across the country. the likes of Dr. Richard Contede, the likes of Almami Petito Kurumade, them been well known. Everybody been sabi them na the country. Where this Dr. Samura in don dey na the politics before them, why are they over 40-something years in the work na the country? Salon people still not be known. Then people away come just inside Ernest Kuruma in government. The layman na the country been sabi them, na familiar with them. They hear the names there. That's Samura Kamara today. When Ernest Kuruma in blessing make Salon people know am. The tenki today una the give to Ernest Kuruma na mami cause. Na for lipana blackmail this pa. But I want for continue for tell una say the more una they disrespect Ernest Kuruma, na the more Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara they lost popularity. The more una they molest Ernest Kuruma, na the more Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara they lost popularity. The more una they disrespect Ernest Kuruma and the APC leadership, na the more Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara they lost value inside the APC. Because we the sober-minded APC people and we the sober-minded positive Sierra we not go ever stand by una for them una disrespect them, una they take to the APC leadership and former blessing Dr. Ernest by Kuruma today. We not go accept that. Right? Fellow Sierra I want to encourage former members of parliament, former councillors of the All People's Congress, the National Secretary General Lawyer Lansana Dumbuya. He don't release this press release on the 9th of this April for make una all go na 11A railway line Freetown na the party head office for make una go do una verification process. Please una endeavor and day na that place day by time. Una listing and feel free for share. May we bring this message to Unu, me na Piero Samura from the Falaba District APC Publicity Office. Una listing and share this message for the benefit of the former councillors there. Una share this message for the benefit of the former members of parliament. Una share this message for the benefit of the grassroots of the APC. Una listing and feel free for share. Once again, the number we una can reach me na +232 7446 0045 +232 7446 0045. Please patient listen and share and far and wide. May we bring this message to Unu, me na Piero Samura.